Years ago, one of the greatest fears in a workplace was a fire. It could start and spread quickly, could kill you in minutes, and often was incredibly hard to control. Some of the first safety tools in the workplace were methods developed to stop or prevent fires from occurring. The portable fire extinguisher became a fixture for fire safety, and even after decades of use, is one of the most important tools against stopping a fire from spreading. The fire extinguisher enables anyone to respond to a fire in seconds, much faster than a firefighter or any emergency personnel. Its sole purpose is to limit or stop a small fire from becoming a much larger one. However, your ability to understand how a fire extinguisher works and how to operate it is critical to working safely. Welcome to the Fire Extinguisher 101 Orientation Safety course. During this training, we will cover the following learning objectives: how a fire extinguisher works, types of fire extinguishers, how to use a fire extinguisher, hydrostatic testing,